Mangroves in the storm right afterwards, and we thought it'd be 10 years before it'd be fixed up. Just coming towards, you can see it even opens out even further here. We sold that house for $995, and they fixed it up beautiful. Huge, big corner lot. We even found a chair that floated off our dock way up here. We pulled it into the house there, way at the end with our jet ski. Just so peaceful and serene here. Very few people know about it. Look at this, at the very lowest tide, 9.6. They got a panoramic screen there on there that's becoming very popular. Tiki huts. There's a house there on Lagoon we sold for 1.6 about 4 years ago. Probably worth $4 million right now. $3.5 million. Still got some new houses to be built here. There's a family bought it right before the storm. They have yet to fix it up. Look how wide this lagoon is. There we're at Buccaneer Lagoon. There's a vacant lot right there next to the blue house on the right for sale, 1.3 million. There we go. That's it, folks. Alex King, Realtor by boat, Fort Myers Beach. Get the best, get the most knowledgeable. No one sold more houses in the past 7 years than me. Alex King.